Welcome to our first episode of the property investment. If you're joining us, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to be talking about the 5 defects to look out for when buying a home. Please forgive me, I'll be reading a lot throughout the script, so don't mind my eyes busy moving around. So purchasing a property is a major investment that should be considered carefully. On the surface, the property could be stunning, but there might be underlying issues that, if overlooked, could cost you a lot of money to repair. So, first issue, roofing. Look out for any old, broken or missing tiles on the roof that need to be replaced, or rust patches on the metal roof. So rust patches, you'll always see them with the brown stain around the steel roofs. A leaky or damaged roof will cause issues inside the house, which could be costly to fix. Second, we'll look at ventilation issues. Adequate ventilation is required to ensure that any moisture in the home can evaporate. When moisture or water sits in an area for an extended period of time, it can cause dampness and mold issues, which can pose serious health risk and often expensive to fix. Water control and drainage. Poor drainage systems around the exterior of the property can lead to water and damp problems in low-lying areas around the home. Waterlogged areas could cause penetrating damp as well as compromise the foundation of the structure if it persists. Water intrusion can be one of the most expensive, destructive problems to fix. Ensure that all drainage areas are properly graded and direct water away from the property. Water control elements that must be checked are gutters, downspouts that are well maintained. The fourth element to look out for is dodgy DIY repairs. When people stay at a home for a prolonged period of time, they tend to want to fix things themselves. Ensure that you check the plumbing and electrical setup, because that's where most of the dodgy DIY repairs occur. And last but not least, something to really check is rotting wood. Wood that is exposed to moisture in areas such as kitchen, bathroom, and exterior decks, if not well maintained, will rot over time. So ensure that all these elements are checked prior to signing the offer to purchase. So thank you for tuning in to our episode. Make sure that the 5 defects to look out for when buying a home, make sure you go through these elements, because they really help you in the long run when you do your most expensive purchase. So thank you for tuning in. Wherever you are, good night, good morning, or good afternoon. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.